here you see, here you see, here you see. ওকে, আমরা চারিদিকে ওয়াটার মলিকিউল ছড়িয়ে রেখেছি কেন? চারিদিকে প্রোটিনের ওয়াটার মলিকিউল আছে। নাও হিয়ার দেয়ার ইজ এন ইন্টারেস্টিং থিং দ্যাট ইউ শুড আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড. What happens is all the amino acids are there. Okay, so what are the groups of the amino acids? Let us draw them. For example, this is a group of amino acid, this is a group of amino acid, this is a group of amino acid, this is a group of amino acid. So there are two main types of amino acids. Some amino acids which are present on the surface, some amino acids are present in the core, isn't it? So we'll put it like this: surface amino acids, surface amino acids. Okay, so there are one more, core amino acids. So we shall write here core amino acids. Okay, now here there is a proper presentation. Means, as you can see, some amino acids are present on the surface, some are present in the core. So this particular arrangement of protein is sometimes known as folding. Okay, or we shall call it protein folding. বুঝতে পারছো? So what has happened? There is a proper arrangement of amino acids. It is not that any amino acid can be present anywhere. For different protein, this folding will be different, that is for sure. Now you consider this, that for albumin this is the arrangement. So these surface amino acids are in direct contact with these water molecules. Okay, so I'll put here, you see, these are the surface amino acids which are in direct contact with the water molecule, isn't it? Not the interior molecules. Very simple concept. And therefore, how the layer of hydration is formed? Because of the surface amino acids which are there. Now you think, if the surface amino acids are such that this particular binding is possible between amino acids and water, so what will happen? There will be a larger layer of hydration. Understood? So the layer of hydration, or the width, how big the layer will be, depends on the nature of the amino acids which are present on the surface, which ultimately leads to what? The protein folding pattern. Now here what is happening for in case of albumin? So we have seen in our simple experiment what we did. We took one test tube of water, then we added albumin in it, and after some time we wanted to see if there are some precipitates. So here we saw what? There is no precipitate at all. So what does it mean? It means that there has been a large layer of hydration. Okay, so other than the large layer of hydration, this kind of phenomenon cannot take place. Understood? So why this has taken place? Because on the protein, that is the albumin, the surface amino acids are such that they make very strong bond with water molecules. So what does it mean? It means that waters are what? Waters are, we call them aqua. Okay, in Greek and Roman, water is also known as aqua. Okay, or hydro. So if there are amino acids which are highly hydrophilic, then only this kind of situation can take place. Understood? So what does it mean? What we are trying to say, that more frequency of, or more presence of, or let us write frequency of hydrophilic amino acids will form a larger and strong hydration layer, and the protein will be more dissolved in water. Okay, so this is the message. So what is happening? if on the surface there are more hydrophilic amino acids. Now what are hydrophilic amino acids? This also we have to understand in a clear way. These amino acids, that is those which are polar, so these amino acids which are polar amino acids are also called which kind of amino acid? Hydrophilic amino acid. Hydrophilic amino acid. Understood? What does it mean? It means that on the surface of albumin there are more charged or polar residues, and therefore the layer of hydration is very strong, and since the layer of hydration is very strong, it is having more solubility in water. Okay, so this is one very important property, and this only the thing which gives the protein a proper kind of folding. Folding means nothing but the arrangement. Okay, so what does folding means? Folding means তোমার folding ছাতা আছে, folding ছাতা মানে কি একটা প্রপার প্যাটার্ন আছে ছাতাটার ভেঙে যাওয়া, isn't it? So folding is nothing but pattern of amino acids arrangement. ওকে, এবার এই অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট যে কোনো জায়গার হতে পারে। এখানে আমরা যেটার কথা বলছি সেটা হলো গিয়ে ওয়াটারের কথা, অ্যাকুয়াস এনভায়রনমেন্টের কথা। So when you dissolve a protein in water, this many things will happen. Now what will happen in the opposite case? It will be exactly the opposite. Okay, when it is not dissolving and making what? Precipitates. So why it is making precipitates? Because the layer of hydration is smaller. So it may look like this. So if it is the molecule, let us draw a same molecular weight, but the what will happen is layer of hydration is much smaller. The layer of hydration is smaller. Okay, smaller hydration layer. Okay, and if it is smaller hydration layer, what does it mean? It means that it is not very highly soluble in water. There are some portions which will be not completely dissolved. Okay, so why this thing is taking place? Because on the surface there are less number of polar residues. Okay, the polar residues are not well distributed on the surface, and therefore the number of these things are not very good. For example, in this case we may able to draw like this. Let's make it a little smaller, since there are no space. So the pattern may not be like this. Okay, the pattern will change. The pattern will change and it may look like something different. So how it may look like? Okay, so there may be a very limited amount of water interaction with some residues. Just hold on.